Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here. And friends, many of the students were asking, sir, what actually is industry IT and basic programming skills in the TCS NQT 2021 examination? So friends, as we have promised that by today morning, we will be bringing a video for you, which will give you an idea of what exactly industry IT is. So friends, before we proceed further, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe because all this kind of updates, no other channel will be giving it to you. And I don't want you to miss any kind of update related to TCS NQT. So friends, the questions which were asked from industry IT is basically they're checking the knowledge of yours with respect to the IT industry, like which app was installed more in 2020. So friends, so this is the question said by the student, those who have written the examination. So basically the app was TikTok, which was downloaded and installed most in 2020. So this kind of general questions were there from the industry IT. So this was not something related to your coding or finding out the output. So be very clear with that. And then full form of BPM. So this is bits per minute. And then the questions were from the union budget with respect to the information technology. So friends, the cabinet minister of electronics and information technology, so I hope everybody will be knowing Ravi Shankar Prasad, right, in the Modi government cabinet minister. Okay, then the questions, as I said, so 3 to 4 questions were related from the union budget. So friends, I again wanted to say you, so these are the general questions which were asked, so you should know what is happening in our industry. Okay, information technology. So the government has increased the outlay for Digital India program by 23% to 3958 crores for 2020-21 compared to the actual allocation in the current fiscal year. So friends, basically what I wanted to tell you, so you go through the union budget and whatever related to the Digital India program or the technology related program or the software related programs, so that the numbers figures you need to remember it. Then the union budget 2021 government proposes rupees 1500 crores, a scheme to boost digital payment. Okay, so this all, say, digital payment or your Digital India program, everything needs the support of information technology, right? They need internet. So wherever the internet and the information technology is being used, the questions will be asked from you. So I'm just giving you a general idea, and this is what has the questions has been said by one of our students. And what was the first web browser? So it was nothing but World Wide Web. Okay, so what was the first web browser? So you can answer World Wide Web. So many questions you will be also knowing, friends, right? And question number 7, they asked founders of companies like Google, Microsoft. So friends, whatever the IT companies are there, okay, and the very famous companies, at least that founders you remember it. See, at a very short amount of time, it's very difficult to remember and go through all those things. But whatever you can do with respect to whatever I'm discussing here, please do that, because I wanted you to get a seat in TCS NQT 2021 this year. Okay, so friends, all of you, please put some effort, go through the union budget. Okay, go through these apps. So and few of the like first things which happened in the IT industry. And friends, maybe like once I record the video, I can also put some link here so that you will be able to get some information with respect to that. Okay, but as of now, I'm just giving you a general idea. And then founders of the company, the product of Google, Microsoft, like Google Drive. So Google Drive is by Google, MS Word, MS Excel. So this kind of information you should have with you. And then next comes basic programming skills, friends. So this is also many of the students were asking. And even in the previous videos, Soumya ma'am has discussed about subject NQ2 programming, so that you are aware. Now, basic programming skill is very much basics, friends. But again, I wanted to tell you here that MS Word shortcut keys, MS Excel shortcut keys. So from here, first and second only, there were 10 question asked. Okay, so there were 10 question were asked from the MS Word and MS Excel. So I will suggest you, so at least this shortcut keys you just go through once, okay, because this is very, very important. I will be giving you some examples also here, like what kind of questions were asked. Okay, now, so MS Word, Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Excel shortcut keys, please go through once, practice once, okay. And then full form of TCP, full form of UDP. So basically networking related basics also there. Um Asking, okay. So TCP is what, friends? Transmission control protocol. And what is IP? So IP is nothing but internet protocol. So like also we have UDP. So the full form of at least basic of networking, or maybe like, OSI model. So what is OSI, open system interconnection, something like that. So at least you keep that in mind, okay, because the options will be very much confusing. So go through the networking concepts also, and this MS Word and MS Excel. And then the very basic question, CPU is the brain or the heart of the computer. Okay, so mainly like your, I will also say, so your hard disk or maybe antivirus. So these kind of questions also will be asked, friends. So basic programming skill is basic computer skill is, so either see it doesn't go on the term it's written here. So basic programming or basic computer skills is nothing but you should be knowing about the computer, okay. So here I will mention basic computer skill or basic programming skill, so whatever it is. So here you should be knowing about the basics of the computer, maybe operating system also you should be knowing. So we have Windows, we have Linux. So friends, this kind of information also you should be having, okay. So I'm just giving you again and again, I'm saying it's a general idea for you. So you need to prepare according to what I'm discussing with you, and definitely you will find that kind of questions in your examination, okay. Now, so switch to the next window. From the current window, what keys will be used? So this is nothing but Alt plus Tab, okay. And then another two question is there, but before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, so we are starting TCS coding crash course live class from today, and the cost is just 149 rupees, and already more than 50 registrations we have, and these classes will be held on Zoom app, okay. So not on the application, so you will be also able to watch the video on the your laptop, okay. So you can see Zoom classes. So here we have also integrated Zoom, so that you will get a very better view of the classes. So friends, if you have not registered, this is for the exam which is going to happen on 10th of March. The classes will start from 20th of Feb and it will end on 9th of March. So this link will be given in the description. Please join it today itself. Once the batch will be full, it will be difficult for us to provide you the seat. Now, close the active window used. So friends, most of the people uses Control plus W, and right, and some of them uses Control plus F4. So you might be knowing only one. So that is the reason you need to understand the keys, how it, and there are some certain keys are there, you need to learn it actually. So your answer will be B and C both. So either you use Control plus W or you use Control plus F4. In both cases you will be able to close only the active window. Active window means, friends, so this is my active window. One more window I opened, so this is my active window. Now you see, so Control plus W or Control plus F4. So I will uh, press Control plus W. You can see the active window was closed, right? Okay, and this window is there. So this is how it is. In MS Excel, the keyword shortcut for creating a chart from the selected cells is nothing but F11. So just practice few of the keys, okay? Remember the full forms, OSI model, okay? Operating systems a bit, and then founders of the company and IT budget, and about related to apps and all. So in 2021 one more app has come, and that app is nothing but Online Study for You app, okay. So with the name of Online Study for You, we have released the app. So they will not ask you a question, but definitely you need to install Online Study for You app, so that you'll be getting more and more information. Thank you, friends. This video should and must help you out.